The CarLock Y Stealth cable enhances security by concealing your CarLock OBD device behind the knee bolster, a plastic panel beneath the steering wheel, keeping it hidden and tamper-proof. It maintains access to your vehicle's OBD port for servicing and diagnostics while securely powering the CarLock device. Carefully remove the car's dashboard, ensuring to first check for and unscrew any fasteners or screws that may be securing it in place. First, note the orientation of the OBD port, identifying the wider and narrower sides. This will help you easily position the new OBD connector. Access the OBD connector from underneath. Press the two small plastic tabs on its sides inward, then push the OBD connector upward to release it from its original position. Take the Y cable and locate the OBD connector with two attached cables. Connect this connector to the vehicle's original OBD port. Find the OBD port on the Y cable, the one with 16 wires, and insert it into the original OBD port's position. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, ensuring it is securely locked in place. Take the CarLock OBD device out of the box and connect the remaining OBD port, the one with two wires, on the Y cable to the CarLock OBD device. Ensure the wider side of the OBD port is facing upward for proper GPS signal reception, as the device will not function correctly otherwise. Secure the CarLock device under the dashboard using zip ties to prevent movement. Carefully reassemble the car's dashboard, ensuring all components are securely in place. Once done, your installation is complete.